How to change spending limit on Instagram ads. So all you have to do is to proceed here to your Instagram application and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you're going to do is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Click on your profile. Now, here on your profile, on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines there. Click on that and then go to settings. Now, under settings here, you will see add payments here. As you can see here, add payments. Click on add payments and then tap on payment methods. Now here currently I only have this, but for you who actually spends money on Instagram, it will look like this. Here it will look like this, and eventually under your billing controls, you will have this account spending limit option. And if you click on that, as you can see, it's not yet set. Now if you click on that, it will now look like this. Now all you have to do is to go here to enter your new spending limit and just input the digit here, and then on the upper right you'll see save. Just click on that and then there you have it. That is how you change your spending limit on Instagram ads, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.